Thanks for stopping by here on Football Sunday, October 6th, and we're going to get going. So what I have here are two different screens, as you can see. I have the 24-25 NFL game schedule loaded here. That data set's in Amazon, and if you want to know more about that, you can go to calendarsnack.com, take a peek there. I'm going to go to the NFC West here and pick on the Arizona Cardinals. And as I click that button there, you can see up here that I've given permission for Greg Hanshin at 31 Events to actually get the calendar invite and send the calendar invite to him. That is his persona. So I've clicked the Cardinals, and as I scroll down, this brings up all the Cardinal data out of the S3 database in DynamoDB. And as I scroll down here, I get a good view right here. There's the game, and I'm just going to click this button to get the calendar invite. And what this app is going to say is the calendar invite's been sent to Greg. You can see Greg is right here. I click on the button and I'm going to say yes to the game. Now, as I go over here, what you're going to see is the back end of the system called the Event Organizer Dashboard. And this is done by the person, footballschedules@outlook.com. That was the person that injected all this data into the AWS bucket. And I'll leave it at that here for the demo. Won't go too far into that. But the important thing is that this app is up and running and you can use it right out of the box. And if I click it, you'll see that a total of 1 RSVP has been replied back. And that current data is saying that that person accepted. Now, you can see in my pool of RSVP tally data, there's only one person in this pool. So this is a little easier to demo. I'm going to click here back to this persona over here in the Outlook email, or excuse me, the Google mailbox over here. I'm going to refresh this page. Now, clearly I was a yes, and what you're going to see over here is that we are collecting the calendar receipt information. So you can see that there's still one of one, and now that data set is saying it's tentative. So I'm going to go to no and refresh the screen one more time, and you're going to see magically the data set has changed yet again. And this is a communication going back between the calendar client itself and the AWS system which we've built. We've built a virtual calendar server. It's right here. We've injected the data into the AWS system. I've just showed you the panel itself. I've showed you the upcoming landing page. On the upcoming landing page, I sent out a calendar invite and I showed you how we're tallying this information. That's the end of the demo, and thanks for stopping by.